Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with half double crochet worked in the third loop, row after row, and this is one way of working wherein you will get both sides as right sides or reversible pattern, reversible ribbing effect you will get in this particular way of working. I shall showcase you this method in this video. In the next video I will show you how it is worked the third loop, but you get the wrong side and the right side. Okay, for this there is no particular number of chains. You can chain as per the length of the product required, and for this yarn I am using a H5 hook. I shall be demonstrating in soft peach hobby store Aran yarn, which is 100% acrylic and anti-pill, and its color code is 2030. So I shall make a few number of chains and get back to you. I have made few chains just to demonstrate a small piece I'm going to work and show you. So I never make a turning chain, or I don't have the two chains here. I just pull up the loop to the height of a single double crochet, half double crochet, yarn over and work in the second chain from the hook, and I will be working in the back bump. So one HDC in the second stitch in the back bump, next in the next, and continue till the end. In each of the stitches all across you place one single half double crochet in every chain till the end. I shall get back to you then. I have made few half double crochets in the entire row. Now turn your work. You can chain one and turn your work, and then in the very first one you are going to work under both the loops a half double crochet. First and the last stitch is going to be a normal half double crochet, and then now the actual working part begins. So you have 3 loops. When you see here 1, 2 and 3, so we are going to work in this loop so that it pushes this V to the front and the rib is formed. So yarn over the hook, insert under the third loop from bottom up. Yeah, pick up the yarn, pull through 3 loops on the hook, your HDC is done. Again repeat the same thing in the next. So I shall work this row and show you. It's not the top front loop, but it is the loop that is in the front of you. Be sure to count the number of stitches at the end of the row, so you're likely to miss a stitch. And the last stitch is going to be a normal half double crochet. So this is a very nice stitch for ribbing, and even for cardigan and small jacket patterns, this is a very nice stitch. So we have come to the end of the row here. Going to work under this loop here. So when you turn your work, you can see that rib formed. So this is on the other side. The rib is formed on the opposite side. Chain one, turn your work. First half double crochet here, and then you're going to place your half double crochet in this loop, this third loop of every stitch across the row. So when we work on this side, it pushes that knitted effect to the other side, knitted rib to the other side. So continue working your half double crochets in the third loop, or it is called as the camel stitch. I shall get back to you once I come to the end of this row. I've come to the end of the row here. Just chain one and turn. Again place here first half double crochet under both the loops, both the top loops, then start working the pattern from the second yarn over, place your half double crochet in the front loop. So this row is a repeat row. You repeat for a few rows and as many rows as you like for the pattern. This can be used as a rib for any of your projects. I shall finish a few more rows and get back to you. I've completed a few rows here. So this is how the ribs are formed, knitted ribs are formed. Both the sides you see the knitted ribs. So it is this pattern is reversible. So this is how you can continue your project for any length, and you can have this as your ribbing and whatnot. It's a versatile stitch. Thank you friends for watching. Have a great day. Shall meet you in the next video with the next pattern. Bye for now.